Alright, I didn't record it, but I got my jack shaft put on here. And I got my spacer made for this side, but I got to work on this side. And I made these little pieces. I got to weld to the frame to hold my pillow block bearing. That's going to be nice. I was bragging to Nathan about all my new Sawzall blades. We had to buy some today.
You go over that?
Yeah. Looking pretty good, kid. Shee! I just got to weld them bad boys. Oh. Alright, kid, you know what time it is. It's welding season. You ought to see that weld, son.
I just logged into my Google.
Shit. Look at them wells, son. Now that is a really sturdy, really nice jack shaft, I think. Anyway, we'll see.
That some bitch probably 60, but the tank probably rusted like another one.
All right, so I finished welding my jack shaft up. All that looks good. I set the motor on here for mock-up and squared everything up. I don't know how well you can see it, but everything's perfectly aligned. And I couldn't really get to these bolt holes on here to make my marks. So I took this old license plate and made this handy dandy little template. I'll be able to use that in the future. And laid that on there, marked my holes, and got everything nice. Man, this thing is tightly put together. I was mocking up for my muffler too, so I don't know if I'm gonna be able to because the angle is gonna be kind of sharp, but I kind of want it to come out in the center and come off of my mount. I don't know if I showed this in the last video, but I made these two mounts for this bar, which will strengthen, it kind of triangulates the frame or whatever the fancy term is. But yeah, kind of want this in here. And I think I'm almost at the point where I gotta weld my pegs on, but I'm almost where I can start painting everything and reassembling. All right, I've been working on my gas tank mount. So I want it to sit under here. So I'm just gonna come in and weld this in. And I got just enough clearance on the secondary to be able to put it here. It's like a half gallon, so hopefully it'll be plenty, at least to ride for a little while. Got it tacked in. I'm gonna take it off before I weld it, that way it don't get too hot. Then I'm gonna put a little brace underneath to kind of, almost like a spring tension underneath to just give it a little bit of support. All right, I got this off. I got it finished welded. Now I got to take this off, take my jack shaft and everything off, split the frame, and I also took this off, finished cleaning it up. I got those welded on for the gas tank. Got these cleaned up so I can paint them. So now I got to completely disassemble it and weld a little bit more on my brace back here, and then paint it, and then I think it's pretty much ready for final assembly.